Last time we learned the cloud is just someone else's computer. But here's the question. If it's just renting computers, why are companies losing their minds over it? Why is every CEO suddenly a cloud evangelist? Let's talk about the obsession. First up, money. Shocking, I know. In the old days, if you wanted to start a tech company, you needed serious cash up front. Buy servers, tens of thousands of dollars. Buy cooling systems so those servers don't melt. Hire people to maintain them. And here's the kicker. You had to guess how much capacity you'd need. Guess too low? Your app crashes when it gets popular. Guess too high? You just spent $100,000 on equipment that sits there doing nothing, judging you silently. With the cloud, you start small, pay maybe $50 a month, and scale up only when you actually need it. It's like the difference between buying a mansion just in case you have kids someday versus renting a studio apartment and upgrading when life happens. Second, speed. Old way, you need a new server. You order it, wait 6 weeks for delivery, unbox it, install it, configure it, debug why it's not working, call tech support, cry a little, finally get it running. Total time, 2 months. Cloud way. You click a button, boom, server is running in 60 seconds. This matters because in tech, being first is everything. Your competitor who uses the cloud launches their app while you're still on hold with tech support. Game over. Third, flexibility and focus. Companies want to focus on what makes them money, building great apps, serving customers, innovating. They do not want to focus on, is the server room too hot? Or, did someone spill coffee on the backup drive? The cloud handles all the boring infrastructure stuff. Need to expand to Europe? Azure already has data centers there. Need better security? Azure's got teams of experts working on it 24/7. Need to try a new database? Spin it up, test it, delete it. No commitment. It's like hiring a world-class chef to handle your meal prep, so you can focus on, actually eating and living your life. So why the obsession? 3 reasons. Cloud saves money by eliminating huge upfront costs. It's faster, deploy in seconds, not months. And it lets companies focus on their actual business instead of babysitting hardware. For your AZ-900 exam, Microsoft wants you to understand these benefits cold. This is why Azure exists, to solve these exact problems for businesses big and small. Next episode, we're diving into the different types of cloud services, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and why they sound like a sneeze. Subscribe, and I'll see you in 3 minutes.